Franco orders the Germans of the Condor Legion to bomb Madrid methodically. For the first time in the history of the world, the Germans use a new kind of warfare. They try to demoralize the enemy by systematically bombing the civilian population from the air. A million inhabitants, 500,000 refugees. The cellars and the subways hold only 100,000 people.
The Franco radio in Salamanca announces, Spain is not contained in buildings or in cities. Spain lies in the ideas and in the genius of Franco. We are at war. We must go forward, even over our own dead.